Hello, I'm Sarah Curry, Research Director for ITR. In March, homeowners will receive a public notice in the mail about proposed changes to local property taxes. Unfortunately, those notices don't tell you what the changes could mean for your actual property tax bill. To help with that, ITR created a property tax calculator. This calculator allows you to estimate how those proposed changes could impact you. We also created a guide to help you share the impact of those changes with your local officials. In this video, I'll show you how to use the calculator step by step and where to find our public hearing guide. First, you will need your property tax assessment numbers. You'll need the 2024 number and the 2025 assessment number. You can usually find these numbers online through your county assessor's website. If you're unable to find them, you can call your county assessor's office and they will be able to provide those numbers for you. Next, you'll need the public notice you received in the mail. First listed is your school district. From the notice, write down the current tax rate and the proposed tax rate. You will enter these numbers into the calculator. Next, you'll do the same for your county. You will see two possible county rates. If you live inside the city limits, you will use the urban resident rate. If you live outside the city limits, you will use the rural resident rate. In some counties, these may be labeled as county-wide and rural additional. It's important to remember that you use only one of these rates. They are not added together. If you live in a city, you will also need the current and proposed tax rate for your city. Once you have all that information, go to the itrlocal.org website and click on the Property Tax Calculator. Enter the assessment values for your property. Next, enter the tax rates you wrote down earlier. When entering these numbers, you do not need to include dollar signs or commas. The calculator will format them for you automatically. You'll start with school districts, and then you will enter the county and the city rates for your property. If you're concerned about these proposed changes, you can attend your local public hearing. At the top of the Property Tax Calculator website, click on Download our Public Hearing Guide. This guide will help you prepare your thoughts and share information from the calculator with your local elected officials. Some local officials may push back on taxpayers, saying they don't know where to cut spending. The second page of the guide provides a hierarchy of government spending to help you communicate to your local government proper spending decisions. If you have questions, please feel free to reach out to Iowans for Tax Relief. We're here to help you understand these proposals and feel prepared for your local public hearing.